Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you my entryway. I am ready to do something different in this area. I have cleaned it up from the holiday seasons and I didn't know what to do with it. So I'm just going to briefly show you how everything is looking. I will be doing something with those two picture frames. And yeah, this here is my inspiration. This is from the ZGallerie's spring collection from last year. And these are the frames from Dollar Tree that I will be using. Hey everyone. All right. Today we are going to start with DIYing these frames that I showed you hanging on my wall. I'm going to try to create a different look and without really changing it too much, but it's going to be a difference. I'm using these curtain tie backs that I got from the Goodwill. And you see how I will be placing them on the frame, but you'll get a better idea of what I will be doing as we go along. So I'm going to play this to music so that you all can see what I am doing. It's very self-explanatory. So yeah, I don't want to bore you with all the chit chat. So excuse my lighting. I am trying my best to get things together, but today it just wasn't working in my favor. So yes, if you are new to my channel, I would love to welcome you. If you are a returning subscriber, you know I appreciate your support. And if you are not yet subscribed, I would appreciate you if you would click the bell until it turns gray. Therefore, you will receive all my notifications each and every time that I upload. And like I said, enjoy the video, stay till the end, and I will see you in my next video, which will be real soon. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. All right, everyone, here is the reveal. Again, this is my ZGallerie inspired entryway styling. I will put in a clip of my inspiration. And over here are my recycled picture frames. I think they turned out very pretty. Right here is a wickered flower arrangement. I've had these pieces in here for quite some time. This floor vase was a champagne gold and I spray painted it black. This is a Pure One vase that I purchased at the Goodwill and it was red. And I spray painted black as well. My area rug is from Roses. It was $9.99. I purchased this last year. It was for my boys' room, but they changed their mind about it. And I was glad because it matches very well with the black frames. And again, these frames are from the Dollar Tree. You all have seen these before. If you are an avid Dollar Tree shopper. These are my dip vases. This is a music box. It's from my grandmother. I love that piece. Here we have my coffee table books and my ZGallerie vase. I will put the name of it. I think it's a version of the ellipse vase. And I just love it. And over here is another one of my hydro dip vase. And this glass globe is from my niece. Down here is just some books and a vase from Ross. My tic-tac-toe from Hobby Lobby that I purchased for 90% off. Some more books. And this elephant I had for many years from my good friend Mary. And you all know that this is my DIY Goodwill table. I shared the painting with this. These vases these wall sconces are DIY. They're a Goodwill find. Spray painted a metallic gold. My candles are from Hobby Lobby. And actually the candles and my Kobe book is the only thing over here that I paid regular price for. Everything else was either clearanced out or gifted. I can't get a better angle due to the size of my entryway. So I hope you all have enjoyed this styling. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you all the very next time that I upload.